Welcome back students. We will continue with the problems related to acceleration. 3 questions we already did, then 3 more is there. So, we will do the problems. It's a question. A motor car is travelling at 36 km per hour. After 10 seconds, the velocity becomes 54 km per hour. Assuming that the velocity change took place at uniform rate, find the acceleration. So, a car travelling at a velocity of 36 km per second. After 10 seconds, the velocity changes to 54 km per hour. So, this one 36 km per hour is the initial velocity, 54 km per hour is the final velocity, and 10 seconds, that is the time. Here it is given in kilometer per hour. So, we need to convert it into meter per second, that is multiply with 5 by 18. So, initial velocity u equal to 36 km per hour, that is equal to 36 into 5 by 18. 36 into 5 by 18, that is equal to 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. Then final velocity v equal to 54 km per hour, that is equal to 54 into 5 by 18. So, 18 will go 3 times in 54. So, 15 meter per second. Now, time is given as 10 seconds. 10 seconds. So, we will write the equation A equal to V minus U by T, that is equal to 15 minus 10 divided by 10. Don't cancel this 10 and this 10. Okay. First you do this calculation, that is inside the bracket, then you need to divide with 10. Okay. First you need to do this calculation. After that you can divide it by 10. Okay. Next question. A scooter attains a velocity of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds just after the start. A scooter attains a velocity of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds just after the start. Calculate the acceleration. So, just after the start means initial velocity 0. Initial velocity 0. So, u equal to 0 meter per second. Now, final velocity is 36 km per hour, that is, convert it into meter per second. How will you convert it? Into 5 by 18. So, 36 into 5 by 18. So, 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. The time is given as 10 seconds. So, 10 seconds. Now, write the equation to find acceleration, that is A equal to V minus U by T. Now, substitute it. V you got it as 10 minus 0 divided by 10. Don't cancel this 10 and this 10. First you do the calculation, 10 minus 0, then you can divide it with 10. Okay, then you can divide it by 10. Now you will get the answer. When you do this problem, you will get the answer in meter per second square. That is the acceleration. Okay. Now one more question is there. That is, a car moving with a speed of 54 km per hour is brought to rest within 10 seconds by applying brakes. Calculate the retardation due to the brakes. A car is moving with a speed of 54 km per hour is brought to rest. Brought to rest in 10 seconds. Calculate the retardation. Means brakes are applied. Then what will happen if a moving vehicle, if a vehicle is moving, brakes are applied, then that vehicle will comes to rest. Okay. If it comes to rest, then its velocity will become 0. Then its velocity becomes 0. So, that car is moving with a speed of 54 km per hour. That is the initial velocity. Brakes are applied and the car will comes to rest. So, initial velocity is 54 km per hour. Final velocity is 0. So, we will do it like this. U equal to 54 km per hour. Convert it into meter per second. Yeah, multiply with 5 by 18. So, 54 into 5 by 18. What's the answer? How many times 18 will go in 54? 3 times. So, 15 meter per second. Then, V equal to final velocity is 0 because brakes are applied and the car will comes to rest. Okay. So, final velocity is 0 meter per second and time is, how much time it will take? 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Now, we will write the equation. A equal to V minus U by T. V is 0 minus 15 by 10. V equal to 0 minus 15 by 10. So, what's the answer? Minus 15 by 10. Now, when you do the simplification, with 5 you can cancel it. So, minus 3 by 2 meter per second square. A minus sign is here. That means the acceleration is negative, or negative acceleration is known as retardation or deceleration. Okay, negative acceleration is known as retardation or deceleration. So, when an object comes to rest or brakes are applied, then final velocity equal to 0. If an object is starting from a railway station or it starts from rest, then initial velocity is 0. Okay. This is a basic equation to find acceleration, and this equation we need till gravitation. Okay. The same equation we will follow for the next 2 chapters also. Okay. So, this is a basic equation to find acceleration. A equal to V minus U by T. Okay. Thank you.